And Volcano.
We're the science guys! Yeah. Okay, so look at this. It's a model of a volcano.
Magical.
So, as you can see, this is the primary vent.
And this is the secondary.
This is a volcano!
It's not an earthquake.
It's not an earthquake, we're in the volcano video.
The earthquake video is tomorrow.
Okay, so this is a volcano. A volcano is caused because of a convergent plate boundary. So basically there is a little gap between the two boundaries and the magma rushes out from the Earth's crust.
For an example, let's check our badly made volcano of awesomeness. So, for example, we have a shield volcano. It's made when, instead of it exploding, it slowly rushes out and then it's really flat. So, for example, this is a secondary event. It's not the main opening and it isn't as big. But let's see.
As you can see, a volcano goes really fast and it will leave these rocks not much time to escape.
But if we make a more explosive mixture, it's a lot slower, but it oozes out instead of exploding.
Sometimes this can be more destructive.
And the secondary event pops out.
So as you can see, this space is unfairly damaged compared to this space. But that's what happened. Dude, you've converted me into an old grumpy man. I'm gonna speak like this.
Well, I don't get paid enough for this. But
Yeah.
as you see, this is a volcano.
Okay, I don't like being grumpy. This is a volcano! Okay, that's enough. Okay, so now we're gonna show a more realistic demonstration. So, there we go. It's coming out! People, citizens!
More.
No, you have to run,
So as you see, the secondary event.
The soda, Kimon. Put the soda more.
Okay, Mother Nature, make a better volcano. There we go. So you see, volcanoes do take some time to come out, but when they do, they erupt and they wipe out whatever land comes in their way. We're out of vinegar. Yes, this is what happens in a volcano. Look at the destruction it has created.
It's not great smelling.
Look at all the destruction. Well, even though a volcano does create a destruction, it creates a mountain. More land, more constructive.
It's powdery.
So, the magma is still under there. So, if this wouldn't be erupt for another 20 years, it would be called a sleeping volcano. If it doesn't erupt for 200 years, it would be called an extinct volcano.
But if it's under 20 years, it will become an active one.
It's fact time. It's fact time.
Okay.
Dude, come on, man. Chill. Okay, so now kids, time to learn the facts. So it educates you and it helps you in the future. So first of all, what is the difference between a lava and a magma?
Well, magma.
So magma is basically when it's still inside the volcano, but once the
Or the Earth's surface. Well, under.
under the Earth's surface. So, but when it comes out, it's converted into the name called lava. So, what are the three Earth's crusts? The layers. So the first layer is
Crust.
The crust.
Yeah,
The second layer is the test your knowledge.
I know it.
You know it?
Yeah.
What's the second layer? What's the second layer?
The mantle.
The mantle. Good job. You get $10,000. Not. The third crust is the core. I mean, the third layer is the core. The core is super hot. It's like a ball made out of aluminium and.
Sorry. I was just stopping a distraction.
Okay, so that's the facts about the volcano and damn, what a science, guys.
A question. What if you're under a cave and you look at lava? Is it magma or lava?
Answer the people over there.
Yeah, I confused you. Oh, you don't know.
Thank you. Science Guys soundtrack only $5.99.